Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I make this steamed fish for dinner, so stick around and I hope you will enjoy this video. So first, here I have my vegetables that were washed. I have my carrot, pumpkin, Irish, bell peppers, hot pepper, scallion and thyme, and some garlic. So now I'm just going to be cutting them to my desired liking. So this is how they were looking once they're all cut, and now I am going to be moving on to our next step. So to my pot that I will be using, I added some coconut oil and I also added about a tablespoon or two of butter. So first I added my scallion and thyme, my garlic and my hot pepper, and just saute for about 20 seconds. Then I added in my vegetables. First I added the Irish, carrot and pumpkin because these will be a little bit harder to cook. So I normally add them for maybe about 4 minutes or so before I add my rest of veggies. And here I was adding in some garlic powder, some onion powder, and also adding in some all-purpose seasoning. And here I'm adding in about 3.5 cups of coconut milk. And we're going to use the milk instead of water. And we're just going to steam the vegetables for at least 5 minutes. And here I have some bammis and a few pieces of corn that I will be adding in. And here I have my fish that was already pre-seasoned. Then I have it here with some bell peppers and more garlic. Now we're just going to be adding in our fish because we don't want our fish to be overcooked. So once the vegetables were halfway cooked, then I added my fish and we're going to just steam that for at least about 6 to 8 minutes. And once everything was added, here I was adding in a few of my peppercorns and also some more of my fish seasoning. And I will add the complete recipe down below. So if you guys want to give this recipe a try, you can do so. This dish was very easy and I love a one-pot meal. Once everything is added in one pot, then that's my dish. And here I was just trying to get the bammis to get down in that sauce. And once you've reached this far in the video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well to my channel for more delicious recipes. The aroma that I was already getting from this dish, guys, it was so delicious. I could not wait for it to be finished so we could dig in. But if you want to have your vegetables, you can make steamed fish because it's packed with vegetables and all that flavor. It is so delicious. So once I added some of the sauce onto my fish, I'm just going to be covering my pot and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, guys, this is how everything was looking. The aroma was to die for. So now I'm just going to be turning up my flame and then I'll plate this up. Look at that, guys. Comment below and let me know if you would have this for dinner or if this dish is one of your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Until next time, bye.